brick with brick stick. Brick stick, some may say. Now, on this property, this is what we like to call the organic lead because we already did the backyard a couple months ago. Did an unbelievable job on his paver, bluestone pavers on his patio. Now, what we're going to do here is if you point the camera over there, you will see we're surrounded by cobblestones around the whole driveway. So every single cobblestone in this whole entire property will be liquid Billy Mazed OxyClean foam, and it will be repaired. We'll use some Technoseal polymeric sand. Now we're going to start in this corner right here. And this is a very good representation of the type of work we specialize in, right? Which is curb appeal. Basically, what you can see from that curb out there. This place already has a very, very high level of curb appeal. But after we're done with it, it's going to be unbelievable. Now, we're going to do all these cobblestones. Are going to be back in shape, cleaned, repaired, polymeric sand. And also, this wall right here is going to be OxyCleaned and repaired. It's not in terrible shape, but there is definitely some loose rocks on there. Now, we're going to continue from the back cobbles all the way down here. And I've done several of these before. This comes out so damn nice when you look at the before and after on these type of cobblestones right here. When you really do a good job, right, of getting that moss out, dirt, right? When you get that out and you get these things with the pressure tip nozzle on the pressure washer with OxyClean foam, I feel it's probably amongst the very best there is. I couldn't imagine there being finer looking cobblestones than what these are going to look like. And we're going to continue this way. So here we go. We still have plenty of cobblestone mania, right? These are going to look so good. Now, we have very similar to his back, we got some bluestone pavers here. Now you can see a lot of mildew and mold buildup, pollen, right? You can see that some of them are a little wonky, right? And so what we do best, again, is we clean, aka repair, restore, renew. It's all we do. This walkway is going to look so nice. Now we're going to do this whole entire wall here. This wall on the outside and the inside, right? So if we're talking about being curb appeal guys, we would have to do this whole wall right here, right? We're going to trim back some very minor ivy growing on it and OxyClean and repair anything on this wall, considering you see it from the street, from the curb. Now remember, we're not Curb Appeal Guys. We are thecurbappealguys.com. Continuing on here. This is the front entry walkway right here on the front of the house, right? And it's not in terrible shape. We got a couple broken pieces of bluestone. No big deal. Easily replaceable, easily findable. Now, when we do this walkway, we gotta work with the established pitch we have. And so there's definitely going to be some finagling to get these so that we can attempt to get water running off. Continuing on, we are going to do the top of this whole entire wall, right? We're going to try a couple different type of detergents and formulas to see if we can really get this clean. Not all mold and mildew is created the same. Now, continuing on here, again, this is not in bad shape at all. It just needs the curb appeal guys for a few days. And we're continuing on here. Very typically of the type of work we specialize in. Yeah, there's some missing mortar, etc. on these stairs. Couple cracks. But once we're done with these stairs are probably going to look nicer than they even did on day one when they were built because of the cleaning process. And we're going to continue on. We're going to do every single drop of bluestone in this whole property, all the cobblestones, repairing the stairs, cleaning the stairs. We can't be that bad because we already did a job a couple months ago in the backyard here. And this is exactly what we do. We are a real estate agent's property manager's best friend. as in BFF, peace.